Hey Samantha, we're going to try something a little different today. We're going to do a tutorial on how to create a Dropbox account. We're going to do the tutorial because there's some complicated steps and a lot more steps for this, so it's going to be easier for you to be able to go back and keep listening to how I'm explaining to do this. So instead of lecturing, I'm just going to do this tutorial, and you're going to learn how to create a Dropbox account and how to share files with other people through email. So Dropbox is a cloud web application because it stores your files online. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create your own account. You should be able to get to this page from Emoto. So first you need to put in some information. First name, last name, email, and a password. Then you have to agree to the Dropbox terms and sign up for free. Let's see here. Email. And then they do rate the strength of your password, so make sure that you're using a capital, and you probably want to use a symbol as well, some numbers. And just go ahead and click on I agree to Dropbox terms and click on sign up for free account. Now it's going to take you to this page where it's going to download Dropbox for you. Well, we're not downloading it to our computers. Your computer won't let you download anything to it because you're not an admin. So instead you need to click on set up Dropbox over here. There's a blue box. Just click on that to skip that step. Okay, now you get to this page. This is where you're going to find all your documents that you have saved in the cloud. You can save links, you can save photos, events, papers, but first we're going to need to add something. We're going to add a document. So before we can add the document, we need to create the document. So your assignment today, besides signing up for Dropbox, is actually to share a document with me. And in that document, I want you to ask me a question, something that has to do with the class, something that maybe is going to help you in the class, or something that you're a little lost with, but you haven't had time to ask me, something along those terms. So the first thing you're going to do is open a Word document. So go ahead, go to your Start menu, and find Microsoft Word. My computer looks a little different than yours, of course, because I'm using my home computer and I have Windows 10. But I'm going to open a Word document, just a blank one. And all I'm going to do is just type in a question about class. I'm going to say, why don't we use tutorials for assignments more often? And I'll be able to answer whatever questions you send to me. So just make sure they're appropriate and that they're on base. Obviously, if you don't want it answered, you just put underneath that I don't really need an answer. But if it's a question you really have, just leave the question and I'll make sure to answer it and send you a document back with the answer on it. So now we're going to go to save. So we'll go to File, Save As. Remember, we always save to documents. Give your file a name. I'm just going to name mine Dropbox question. And remember that little hint I gave you so it's easy to find. Just put that 1 in front. Click on Save. Now I'm going to have you go back to your Dropbox. You're going to click on this page with the plus sign right there. That's how you upload, whether it's a picture, a file, whatever you're trying to upload, you're going to click on that. You want to click on Choose File. Now, do you remember where I saved it to? I always ask you guys to save the document to. I save mine to documents as well. And because I put that number in front, it's one of the first things up here. It says Dropbox question. So I'm going to click on Open. I'm going to click on Done. And now here's my file that I uploaded with my question in it. And there's a little button that says Share over here if I hover my mouse. So I'm going to click on Share. And I'm going to click on Send Email. And it just said that verification email was sent to my email address. So it says Dropbox is sent a verification email to booz@mmsaonline.org. Check your inbox and click on the link email to verify your address. If you can't find it, check your spam folder or click the button to resend the email. So first I'm going to have to go and verify my email address. So I'm going to go to my email really quick. Dropbox did send me an email. We just need to verify email just before you can share files and folders. Go ahead and click on verify your email. And you can go back to that Dropbox page that you were on. And you should be able to click on share. Now that I verified my account, I shouldn't have any issues sharing. So you're going to leave this link. This is the link it's going to send. You're going to put my email address in, so you want to send your question to me. So of course I'm booza@mmsaonline.org. And then in the message you're going to put your name. Now you don't need to click on this box, leave that unclicked. So put my email in, your name, first and last, click send. And that's it. I'll get that file from you, and like I said, if you really wanted me to answer it and you didn't put that don't need to answer this question underneath, then I'll actually give you an answer back on something that you had a question about in the class. And that's how you use Dropbox to upload a file and share it. All right, thanks for watching.